Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars on this gloomy day in Addison, Illinois. I have this 81 Chevrolet El Camino for sale that just came in, finished in a shadow gray exterior paint with the maroon stripes across. Great stance on the car, nice chrome bumpers, wheel and tire package, a little bit upgraded there, dual sport mirrors, glass looks good on the car, it sounds good as well. This little pickup truck will do whatever you want it to do, guys. Sounds good, right? Yep. Paint's got a nice reflection to it. Interior is standard black interior. A little wear here, which we can dye this if you wanted to. Just let us know. But nice bench seat there. Rubber floor mats showing 93,684 miles. As you can see, the turn signals function. It does have tilt wheel. Horn works, and yes, the wipers function. Radio works as well. Defrost is not, or the heater is not operable at this time. So I never put the heat on. I just take these things to car shows and just enjoy it. But anyway, we're gonna go for a quick test drive. The power steering feels nice and smooth, easy to drive. Power disc brakes as well. 350 engine with power steering, power brakes. Transmission shifts just like it should, guys. Just a good cruiser. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. And if you need financing, go to our website and click the finance tab. And for a delivery quote, go to, well, call me or text me at 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas, guys, and thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. And check out all the rest of the photos here on our website. Thank you and have a great day.